In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Netflix password on your phone. Once you're on Netflix on your phone, go ahead and click on My Netflix. Then on the upper left, click where you have your username or your profile name. You have a drop down there, you click it. And so you will now scroll down a bit and click on Account. Under Account, you will scroll a bit to the Security section and you'll find Password. Click on that. Now you want to enter the current password, then you can enter a new password which requires 6 to 60 character, and you re-enter that and then click Save. Right, this is, you can choose to sign out of all the devices once you basically change your password. I recommend doing that so that you can sign in with the new password.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue.
So for whatever reason you want to change your password, I recommend keep this box checked so that you can sign out of all of those devices if you want to, right? And you will know have to go and sign in with a new password if that's your intention. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.